Can you set video as wallpaper on iPhone without app? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can set a video as wallpaper on iPhone without using any apps. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the video. So let us head over to our Photos app and then locate a video. After you locate a video, you will see different options. You can long press on the video, and after you long press on the video, you can add it to another album. Now we are adding this album, so we can use the shuffle. That is, we can try to use the shuffle in our wallpapers section to just try and use this as a wallpaper. Now tap on this share icon, and after you tap on the share icon, you can scroll down. Now you should find an option called add to wallpaper, because that is what it usually is, to just change a wallpaper, right? So if you do not find it, you can just head back. Now you do have an album though, so head over to your settings. Now on your settings, you'll need to head over to your wallpaper. Tap on add new wallpaper, and after you tap on add new wallpaper, you can choose photos. After you choose for photos, simply select the photo that you just added to the album. Since the album only contained a single video, the album is not being shown here. So what you'll now do is head over to Photo Shuffle. Tap on Photo Shuffle, and then here you can choose an album. Tap on album, head over to your album, select the album that we just created, and tap on use album. Now after you do this, what will happen is that this will just create a wallpaper, and the catch is the wallpaper is not really a video. It's just a picture of whatever was on the video. So I hope this answers the question that you cannot actually set video as wallpaper on iPhone without using another app. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.